Yeah.
Verna police stationaचेर आमी abduction under section 365 IPC offense register केल्लो आसा. हातून a girl major in age, she was kept in Verna police station jurisdiction in a convent, undergoing a vocational training course in a known college nearby, was staying for last 1 year, and she has gone missing from 28, and she has gone out. Investigations have revealed that she has gone out with her own clothes, and she was saying that she wants to go to the particular institution. And on earlier 3 occasions this girl had gone like this only out. However, she had returned back, but during this time when she went out, she has not returned back, and that's how a missing complaint was earlier filed, and as per directions of Supreme Court, we have registered the offence of abduction under section 365 IPC, that she may have been lured. She was a victim of crime against women reported earlier, and that matter is before the court. Sites to trace this girl is in progress. We could trace her movements from the time she left the institution where she was kept for rehabilitation up to a certain place near Zuari Nagar, and she wanted to go to Vasco, and because the bus was not going to Vasco, she got down near Zuari Nagar and wanted to take another bus, and she did not have money also during that time when she had gone. So up to there we have tracked her, and from all sides our investigations are on to trace this girl, and shortly we will trace her.